Mastering pronoun usage in formal and informal English. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to explore a vital part of English language grammar: pronoun usage in different contexts, specifically focusing on formal and informal language. Let's unlock the secrets of choosing the right pronouns to fit the tone of our conversation. To start with, let's clarify what we mean by formal and informal language. Formal language is typically used in professional, academic, or official contexts, and informal language is common in everyday, casual conversations, including chats with friends or family. Pronouns, as parts of speech that stand in place of nouns, also follow these usage rules. Depending on the situation, we may need to use different pronouns or construct our sentences differently. In formal writing or speaking, it's essential to maintain a certain level of decorum. This often involves avoiding slang or contractions and ensuring proper grammatical structure. Let's look at an example. Formal: would you mind if I borrowed your book? I promise to return it tomorrow. Note the polite phrasing and the use of I and you. Now, let's contrast this with an informal version of the same request. Informal language, which is more common in everyday conversations, can use contractions, abbreviations, and even slang. Let's see how the previous sentence changes. Informal: can I borrow your book? I'll give it back tomorrow. In this sentence, we've used I'll instead of I will. This is a contraction. We've also simplified the language, which is more characteristic of an informal tone. Sometimes, pronouns can vary depending on the formality of the language used. For example, in formal writing, we often avoid using the singular, they, to refer to a person of unspecified gender, preferring to use he or she. But in informal language, the singular, they, is widely accepted and used. Formal: if a student wants to improve, he or she should practice every day. Informal: if a student wants to improve, they should practice every day. Understanding the right context and tone for using pronouns is key to mastering English language communication. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep observing, keep learning, and keep practicing these differences in formal and informal settings. Hope this video has shed some light on the topic. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.